I've never been much of a fan of potato salad. That was until I created this izakaya inspired Japanese potato salad packed with crispy bacon, creamy mashed potatoes, crunchy vegetables and delicious eggs blended with the perfect selection of seasonings. It's seriously a potato salad like no other. You can also find this recipe on my website along with over 400 Japanese recipes. Just Google potato salad space dashi to find me. First I place 2 eggs and 3 potatoes in a pot. Fill it with cold water and bring it to a boil over high heat. Add half teaspoon of salt to season the potatoes. We start with cold water so that the potatoes cook evenly. If you start with hot water, then outside of the potato will cook too quickly and fall apart. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to medium and continue to boil until you can easily pierce the potatoes with a fork, about 15 minutes or so. While I wait, I've cut half a Japanese cucumber into thin slices and I'm going to rub them with a few pinches of salt to improve the flavor and draw out some excess moisture. Once they're evenly covered, set them aside for later. Next, I'm heating a frying pan on medium with about half teaspoon of cooking oil. Once it's hot, add quarter of a sliced onion, 50 grams of cubed bacon, and 2 finely diced cloves of garlic. Simply fry those until the onion is soft and golden and the bacon is cooked through. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Many Japanese potato salads are made with raw onions, but I find them a bit too pungent. Frying the onions will soften the onion flavor and bring out their natural sweetness. And any fatty bacon works great here. For something a bit different, you could try using Italian pancetta. Okay, this looks good, so I'm gonna take the pan off the heat and set aside for later. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to transfer the eggs to a bowl of cold water and let them cool down for about 10 minutes. The potatoes aren't quite ready yet. I can pierce them but not easily, so just keep checking them from time to time. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes in total and my potatoes are finally soft enough. I'm going to use a mesh spoon to scoop out into a heat-proof bowl because I actually want to reuse this water one more time. Add about 1/3 of a carrot. I thinly cut it into half moons, but the shape is up to you. Boil these for 1 minute. We want them to be crunchy but not too raw tasting. After a minute, scoop them out and into a bowl and set aside for later. Mashed potatoes while they are still hot. Not only is it easier to mash them, but they also absorb flavor better when they're still hot. Just be careful not to overcook them because mashing or mixing too much can make the texture gummy. Once it's more or less smooth, add the contents of the frying pan from before, the blanched carrots and the boiled eggs. We're just gonna give this a quick mix with a spatula and break up the eggs. It's believed that the first Japanese potato salad was born at the Imperial Hotel Tokyo in the early 20th century, and it's become a staple dish that you can find anywhere from home kitchens to convenience stores, restaurants and izakayas. We often call it Potesara for short. There are many ways to make Japanese potato salad using different ingredients. You can add or leave out anything you like really. Okay, next squeeze a cucumber thoroughly and add it to the bowl along with 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, half teaspoon of dashi granules, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of apple vinegar, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, and half teaspoon of Japanese mustard. Mix everything together until evenly distributed. I recommend using Japanese mayo like Kewpie, but you can use regular mayonnaise or try making your own using my homemade recipe on my website. Also, if you can't find karashi mustard, a good quality smooth Dijon mustard is a good substitute. What I like most about the flavor of this potato salad is the unique sweetness of the honey. and the unique spiciness of the mustard mixed with the mayonnaise. The appeal is that you can enjoy a variety of different flavor and texture layers all at once. Anyway, once it's mixed, you can serve it right away while it's still warm and add an extra sprinkle of black pepper. However, I personally think it's even better if you chill it in the fridge first. And that's it, Japanese izakaya style potato salad. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to read the full recipe, you can find it on my blog, the link is on the screen. If you love this video, don't miss my appetizer playlist popping up on your screen right now. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.